So over here you can see that I am in the startup page of Microsoft project, and this is what you see. And I am in the home page right now. Even when a project is opened up right here, you can still access out the home page by clicking on the file menu on the top left. And here you can see the home, new and open right here as you start up the application. So once you go around over here, you can see the recent. So all of the projects that you actually recently opened up will allocate over here. So you can easily find them out without having to go around and browse through your computer for individual files. You can also go around onto more projects and see the details of the project right here. And if you have folders, then you can also see the folders that you recently accessed right here. But sometimes what happens is that you may be working on a particular file and you always need access to it. In that case, what you can do is you can pin out those files. So to do that over here, you can see that example project is the file that I keep on using. So I'm just going to go around and click on this pin icon right here. So once you do that, what happens is that under the pinned area, you can see the pinned projects. So no matter, well, like if you were to access out another file and so forth, and let's say if I were to go around and pin it, then what happens is that they will appear on the pin section right here. So even if you were to open out other files, then in the pin section, these files will always be there for access. You can also go around and click on the pin icon again to unpin that out, and it is removed from the pinned area. I can go around over here onto, let's say for example, right here, you can go around onto open section as well to see the detail project pins right here. So you can see the pin on the top and then the other files right here on the bottom. You can also go around onto the folder and pin out the folder that you access frequently. Let's say for example, you want to go around and pin out the documents, then you can go around right here so that you always have access to the document folder right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then pin files in the file open section of Microsoft projects so that you have easy access to them. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.